The latest. Hurricane Milton weakens to Category 1, but danger remains in Florida. Unbelievable. Hurricane Milton has ripped the roof off Tropicana Field, the Tampa Bay Rays Stadium. This place was supposed to be a refuge for thousands of evacuees and emergency workers. Now I hope my friend Lewis and his family okay. As Milton whip his arms of destruction across Florida. Hashtag Hurricane Milton, hashtag Milton Florida. Hashtag Florida, hashtag storm, hashtag USA, hashtag hurricane. Unbelievable. Hurricane Milton has ripped the roof off Tropicana Field, the Tampa Bay Rays Stadium. This place was supposed to be a refuge for thousands of evacuees and emergency workers. Eerie reminders of Katrina with this devastation. Speechless. We are at the entrance to our Tampa Bay Times office in downtown St. Petersburg. A crane is blocking the road, and several stories up, smoke billows out of the building from where it appears the crane fell. The following is some videos that I have put together in some pictures to show the devastation. This is AI Prophecy News. Stay safe, Florida. I'm praying for you.
Damn! Look at that.